Hey guys, this is Miss Godwin. All right, so I wanted to real fast kind of help you a little bit with your Google Classroom so you can kind of get an understanding of what you have to do to get to certain places, okay? All right, so right here you will find my class. On your Google Classroom screen, so your Google Classroom screen, you'll see my class and you'll see Miss Easterling's class. You are responsible for both classes just like you are at school, okay? All right, so this is my class. This is Miss Godwin's class, all right? So we're going to click in, okay? And this is going to be what it looks like. Of course, I have my cows because you know Miss Godwin loves her cows, okay? So I have cows right here. You can scroll down and you can say something to your class. I'm going to put little chats in this area where I'm going to ask you a question kind of to take attendance because, guys, every time you log in, every single day, which you have to log in every single day, Miss Godwin's taking attendance, okay? I can see when you log in and when you log out, and I can see everything that you do, okay? So that's important. So, now that we've figured out the attendance thing, let's move into our lessons, all right? So as you can see, so far I've only posted 3 lessons. These lessons should be done by Friday. But if they are not, I have not put a due date on them, but I would like them done within the next 2 weeks, okay? The next 2 weeks, all right? You can do these at any time. I just need you to log in once a day and check on your stuff and do your stuff, okay? This is like we're in school. All right, so we're going to click into a lesson, and mine looks a little different from yours, okay? So this is what your lesson will look like. Social studies and reading for me. Okay. All right. So this is your iReady lesson 18-1. These are your pages that go along with your iReady packet that you picked up from the school. Okay. When you look at this, it's going to tell you to watch a video. My videos, okay, they will read the lesson to you, and I am explaining what to do on the next page after you've read. Okay. Then there's another form. This is a Google form. Every lesson you have with me will have a Google form. The Google form is there for you to answer one question. For iReady, it's going to be different questions I choose, and you have to type your response, okay? All right, in social studies, you will have a Google form, but you will have a multiple choice or a short answer Google form, okay? All right, so that's just kind of a little bit about the Google Classroom, okay? Guys, if you have any questions, you feel free to ask. There are places where right here, you can type a question that you have that you think the whole class might need to know the answer to. Or you can say hey to the whole class. You can say hey to Miss Godwin, okay? All right? Now, when you are done with my class and you want to go on to Miss Easterling's class, or you're done with Miss Easterling's class and you want to come on to my class, okay? You can click right up here where they have the little 9-dot square. Click on it and go back to Classroom. And there you go. You're back to your home where you can, Miss Easterling's classroom would either sit right here or right here, okay? All right, guys, so if y'all have any questions, message me in Google Classroom. Give me a call, message me, text me, okay? You can even email me. You have an email now, okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope you're doing well. I miss all of you, and be on your best behavior for your parents now.